friends, welcome back to Shakti's Kitchen. Today we'll learn how to make restaurant style butter chicken. Let's see what are the ingredients required. For the masala, 1 small tomato, 1 small onion, a few cashews, some poppy seeds, a few cloves. I've taken 3 to 4 cloves, 1 cardamom and 2 small strips of cinnamon. We'll grind all these into a fine paste. And now for the butter chicken, I've taken around 250 grams of chicken, ginger garlic paste, 1 small tomato finely chopped, and finely chopped 1 small onion, some chili powder, curd, coriander powder, some butter, and this is the paste that we just made. I've heated the oil in a pan. I'll put finely chopped onions first. Fry these well until they turn golden brown. The onions are fried well. I'll add finely chopped tomatoes into it. Onions are cooked well. I'll add a spoon of ginger garlic paste. I'll now add 1 spoon of curd. Mix this well. Now 1 spoon of chili powder, and 1 spoon of coriander powder. Fry the masala well now. I'll add chicken into it. Mix this well. I'll add salt to taste. And a little bit of water for the chicken to cook. Just mix this well and cover the lid. I've mixed this well now. I'll cover the lid and let this cook for around 5 minutes. It's cooked for 5 minutes. Let's just open the lid. Just mix this well. And we'll add the paste now which we made initially. Give this a good mix. I've mixed this well. I'll cover the lid and let this cook again for around 5 to 7 minutes. It's 7 minutes now. Let's see if it's cooked well. As you can see, the chicken is cooked very well. Let's add some butter onto it. And give it a good mix. Here is our yummy butter chicken ready to be served. Here is our delicious butter chicken ready to be eaten.